Hey, welcome to GT Canada, the most confused channel on YouTube. We got a lot of various types of content on this channel. We are a lifestyle channel. We focus on automotive, technology, gaming, and just general lifestyle. What can you expect from this channel? We've got car stories, $500 car challenges, technology reviews, how-tos, tips, and tricks. We've got a lot of great walkthroughs that show you how to do something with technology or automotive or just general lifestyle. We've also got a lot of great videos in the summertime that surround kind of the passion that we have for being outdoors and doing activities together in the sunshine. Up here in Canada, it's cold, so in the summertime we play. In the winter time, we kind of hunker down inside and work on projects and technology and gaming, that sort of thing. Got a couple great projects that this channel is going to be taking on. Car rebuilds, boat rebuild, but really we're trying to just build a community of individuals who enjoy seeing what we're up to and learn a thing along the way. We are inspired by kind of the camaraderie of some famous TV shows that are centered around cars and automotive and that sort of thing. So you'll see a lot of guest individuals on this show where you see some fun banter between us, and we really try to capture that personality on this channel, and I hope you see that in the videos that come out. If this sounds like your kind of channel, I invite you to subscribe down below, join the community. We got a lot of great content already in our back library for you to enjoy while you wait for some of the fresh new content to come out. You can always hit that bell so you'll get notified every time a new video does drop. We got a lot of really exciting things in the work that I think you're going to enjoy as a viewer. I'd love for you to come on this journey with us. Don't forget to check out some of the videos over here. Until next time, have a great day.